Aquaclean is a new type of fabric technology which allows you to easily remove the majority of household stains. Other stain guards often involve a barrier that prevents a stain from penetrating a fabric, and this usually involves chemicals. But Aquaclean is different. It will absorb the stain and then it releases it on contact with water. Yes, just water. And it's PFC free, which means it has no perfluorocarbons. So normally it's not a good idea to rub any fabric to remove a stain. You can take off the dye or you can change the nap of the fabric and you can make a small mark much worse. But with Aquaclean, you can rub the fabric. So this is red wine that I'm pouring on our fabric and I'll show you how to remove the stain it leaves. Remove the excess residue if there is any. Apply water over the stain directly or with a wet cloth. Wait a few seconds, then press down on the stains and rub gently in circular movements. Repeat as needed until the stain is gone. So you can see it's easy to remove a stain immediately, but it also works on stains that have been left to dry. And I prepared a few stains yesterday. This is red wine, and it's the same process, just lots of water and gentle rubbing. It takes a little bit longer, but it will remove the stain. It even removed the marker pen. Just keep repeating the steps until the stain is gone. All you need is water, no soap. That's the beauty of Aquaclean.